What's going on, guys? Welcome back. First of all, happy Thanksgiving. It is currently November 27th. So we are one day away from eating lots of turkey and spending time with family. So to that, again, happy Thanksgiving. Had some video requests of the brake install on the Panigale, specifically the little wire connector here, and for the rear brake. Yeah, let's install that. So here is what that piece looks like. Looked a couple stuff up on the internet, and what I really can find is that this replaces this bolt for the brake line. And notice that because we got our little holes right here. So I figured that lines perfectly just like so. Let's see if I can zoom in. It aligns perfectly just like so, which then sends pressure when you brake to the cylinder here, and then it sends a signal to our connection. It's also the only place it can go, because if you think about it, it's not a long cable. So I already pulled out the connection here, which I believe this is it. I just kind of found it and pulled it out from right in there. I'm hoping I don't have to take any fairings out, because I'm being kind of lazy, to be honest. All we're gonna have to do is unbolt this one right down here. And I'm gonna try to do this quickly. Probably gonna leak a little bit of fluid by loosening this guy and replacing it. But I'm hoping not, and may have to re-bleed the system to get it properly going. So let's go ahead and do it. First things first, just so we don't make a mess on the bike, just in case. So we're gonna use 12 millimeter here and loosen this guy up. So no fluid is coming out right now. There we go. Now that we got a few turns, nope, can't do it that way, so I'll go ahead and tighten this guy up. All right, now gonna go ahead and connect this guy to this plug. Kind of hoping this is it. Okay. And I guess let's test it out. So we got our plug connected. I just kind of fished it out of there. Of course, I want to wire this more properly and re-zip tie it and whatnot. Beautiful. There we go, guys. Cool. So super easy install. Honestly, this took me 2 minutes to do, as you guys could tell, if that. It does look like I gotta push down quite a bit to get it to work. However, could be that it could be that I need to re-bleed the system, just given how much it's taking for me to press down on it. But besides that, guys, that's pretty much the install. Nothing else to it. Like I said, remove that stock bolt and replace it find the connector right in there. And that's pretty much it. From here, I'm gonna wire it very nicely. Gonna feed it along here and bring it back in. Probably right through here. And that's it. I hope that helped you guys out. I know there's some people asking for an install video and how to do it. So I will link down in the description below where I purchased this one. So you guys, thanks for checking this quick install video on the rear brake light for the Panigale. And I'll see you guys on the next one.